Okay, so we are dependent on electricity to a greater extent for our day-to-day requirements. Nganzo changmas ra electric current kala, electricity kala pe masibe depension de dio res. Okay, nganzo kola nyan de dio res. Ta inji minji goya yo re la or pe nganzo pama inji minji goya yo ra. Right now we are dependent on our parents, right? Ra so so pama kala nganzo nyan de dio ra ondi la chikpa chikyang nganzo electricity kala pe masibe nyan de dio res yana electricity di nganzo la pe masibe pecho chimbu yo res. Ra for our day to day requirements nganzo nam gyu de mitela goya yo ke chala di raya chetula. Okay, so electricity dordunishana electricity is very important for our life la nganzo mitena electricity di pe masibe kechimbu insla. Okay, di keshe the that one. And yes, next question is right, from where do we get our electricity? Manzula electricity sama khawane rago is la. Okay, so we get our electricity from power stations. Lok tang sa gidi, power station. This is are all nuclear power stations, right? Nuclear power station. Dene ma lok suor, the lok suene mazo tangor, the nuclear reactor. Okay, dikina to zina thoale do shingit. Ani manzo lada la lok khane level na Alchi Dam ne level. We get our electricity from Alchi Dam, hydroelectric power project like. Right? Okay, the tadi ni juma zina na thuna ni kina so deshi ya kuch kya. Okay, tanda deshi ke na shira kin so gochu mare. This sama soda nuclear reactor ne lok le ate ngore. Ine manzo lada la lok de sama Alchi ki dam do a kin so mangu chi thonyu gire. Alchi la dam chi do a. Ine Alchi ki dam ne chuma le ani wala ine kora gaya chi gore. Reactor kora gengi chi gore. Kosu sa turbine generator kora chu shuk digi generator kora gengi. Ani generator kora gaya wala tene lok shuk chumbu yai sotu kor. Kosu sa andi lok shuk chumbu yai sogyo di ani manzo lada inare kargil inare ani lada changma taka lada ki ye changma la ta changma la thanda leptu yugi mare mato shiba changma la koshe kya gore islar. Okay, ini changda la le ligir ta lok ta kale ta kawa chugu yugir. Okay, on dushine re islar. Okay, so yes, we get our electricity from power stations. In these two pictures, they are showing you the power stations. They are made up of nuclear reactor power stations. Nuclear reactor. You will learn all these things in your higher classes. But in our Ladakh, we get our electricity from our Alchi Dam. Alchi Dam. Okay, I hope you all have seen the Alchi Dam. What happens from the dam? They store the water, right? And they release lots and lots of water if when we need electricity. And below the dam there is a generator. When water hits that generator rotates very fast. And by rotating kora chumbu gya kora, okay, generator di ani when they rotates, okay, they generate electricity. And kora yabdu kala ko khari tyongol na lok tyongol eslar ani electricity sugor eslar. Okay, and the electricity sugyo di sama nyar store chi ani mazala da ganzala tangor. Okay, this is how. So they can have the temperature sharuchi. Okay, from the power stations we get our electricity. Okay, so next part. So okay, now here I would like to ask you some questions. Okay, uh, can you think of more uses of electricity? Look, di mahembe pejo shimba dine kari kari yore kirangi samlo this ma tang tu sare vela. Okay, and di tiwa chikche. And think samlo tang das when there is no electricity, kisi log mewa inas, then how would you do your work? Ani kirangi lega hadis chikin base. You will probably use your torch. Ani kesi nang log me na ani kerangi peche kari peche chiri na torch peche chiri esla. Do you know how does it work? Kerangi shingi wes torch the kandes peche lega chigi me. Torch lana shingi wa because I hope you all have seen the torch. Torch lana kari lagi me shingi wes la. Where does the torch gets electricity from? And torch la kurangi log the kanira ko esla. Okay, torch la kurangi log the kanira ko esla. Right? Okay, and we all know that we get electricity Ra. For torch, we get our electricity from electric cell. Manzo torch la electricity, torch la current the electric cell ne ragol. Okay, so we all know, okay, our part. So let me show you here the first algae dam Ladakh. Okay, so puso dirde. The algae dam re tanging elawanishi. The algae dam re. Okay, mazo lada la log gangza electricity gangza dene legor. Dene sogor. Okay, the khande sogore khari chigore dige sama mazo julat kenazo laiche. Dam dinala chushuk chumbusa. Ani dene machu lugruwa ani di chullu du kopsa dela generator chiyor. Okay, and chushuk chumbu digi generator di kona gap and dene log sogor. And dila khala na hydroelectric plant like. Okay, hydroelectric power project yan lagi re yang na hydroelectric plant yan lagi. Understood? This is from where we get electricity in Ladakh. Okay, and next is torch. Torch lan peje peje kin sama shingirwa. This is our torch. Kesi maze nang lock mewai na. Okay, we use torch. We use torch. These are all called torch. What is a torch? And a torch la lock khanera go is la. From where does this torch gets electricity la? And a torch na khallu ganzogi. Cell lurwa. In torch we put cell, right? On the course share da. Okay, so we have to learn about here cell. So yes, so we have to learn about electric cell. Electric cell produces light in torch. Torch ta in a torch chiku mare that cell ka khasal bejero. Lok chunju goye ge sangmala cell beju chigirwa. Okay, those children, right? Now electric cells are used in wrist watches. Cell dige changmas khawala bejero na wrist watches mazu lakwala chizu tage wa dila bejero cameras. Camera na hagura parje par gaya dine nal bejero and television. TV to la bejero and remote. Television page sorry television remote. Mazu TV paregi remote nal electric cell bejero and alarm clocks dine nalai kira shoge langai the alarm clock digi na ani alarm clock nanglo la mazu electric cell lugo isla and din nang shingi chala pembo isla where electric cell are used electric cell pecho yosagi. Okay, so uh, in the previous video I have asked you, in the previous slide I have asked you the question, what will we do if there is no electricity in your house? Right? Then most probably you are going to use torch, right, to see things. Right? Chala taya chito torch pecho chiki was. And where does this torch get electricity? Torch dila electricity khane rago islar. So the answer is torch produces its light, or the torch gets its electricity with the help of electric cell pecho chine rago islar. So that's why we are learning about electric cell. Okay, di chikche tandange para le inji ge do di inji di majo tanda khasa jinde chokpa nang lo la inge mashenge de do wa ho di chike ge da bu lo. Okay, di chikche. Now there are chemicals stored inside an electric cell. So how does this cell produce electricity? So this is the diagram of a cell. We know that in the cell there is a metal cap, right? Cell the nido ji horwa and the chagi capture ji horwa and the chagi capture the capture yenge the katuna karlana positive terminal plus capture yegi positive terminal plus and the wall and the leblep dwa bottom the metal disc and kanza the chaiba. Okay, the kind of negative terminal. Okay, so a cell has two terminals, positive terminal and a negative terminal. Cell terminal ni yorta chik positive terminal re chik karela na negative terminal. Okay, and the nalo la kharyo na chemical yor z chemical means z, there are some chemicals inside it, okay, which undergoes a reaction and produces electricity. The z di current ang duwa dela tarku chikthi dene tarku chikthi and dela bulb chigarwa ina ani